Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the Windows update that is stuck at 0 downloading. To get started, simply search for services and open it. From here, find the Windows Update service, double click on it. Set the startup type to automatic and start the service if it is stopped and save the change. Now search for troubleshoot settings and open it. Then click on other troubleshooters. From here, run the Windows Update troubleshoot. Follow the on-screen instructions and try to troubleshoot the Windows Update. And once the troubleshooting process is done, simply restart your computer and see if this fixes the issue or not. In the next method, search for services and open it. From here, double-click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Set the startup type to automatic, delete start and stop the service if it is running. Now find the Windows Update service, double-click on it and stop the service. Once done, open your File Explorer, then go to this PC, C drive, Windows folder. From here, find the Software Distribution folder and delete all the contents you see inside this folder. Once done, search for Disk Cleanup and open it. Then click on Clean up System Files. From here, checkmark all the boxes and then click on OK and then delete files. Now wait for the delete process to complete and restart your computer once the process is done. After restart, search for services and open it. Then search for Windows Update service. Set the startup type to automatic and start the service. Then go for the Background Intelligent Transfer service. Set the startup type to automatic and start the service. Once done, go to your Windows settings. Go to Windows Update and now check for updates, and this time you won't get any downloading errors. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.